In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Amazon Pay Balance. To get started, open your web browser and search for Amazon. This will take you to Amazon's official website where you can access your account settings and payment options. If you already have the site bookmarked, you can go there directly, but searching for it works just fine as well. Just make sure you're opening the official Amazon page before moving forward. Once the website loads, log in if you're prompted to do so. Depending on your browser or device, Amazon may already remember your account, but if not, simply sign in to continue. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, because the balance you add will go to the account that is currently signed in. After you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the page and hover over the Account and Lists section. A menu will appear, and from there, click on Account. This area gives you access to your account settings, payment tools, and balance options. If the page layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Amazon occasionally updates its design, but the account section is usually still easy to find near the top right. Next, look for the Amazon Pay section or the option labeled Manage Gift Card Balance or Reload Your Balance. The wording can vary a little depending on your region or account type, but you're looking for the section related to stored balance and adding funds. Click on that option to continue. Once you're in the correct section, click Add Money to Amazon Pay Balance. This is the option that lets you manually transfer funds into your available balance so you can use them later for eligible purchases. It's a useful feature if you want to set spending limits, preload funds, or make checkout faster in the future. Now enter your preferred amount. Take a moment to double-check the number before continuing so you add exactly what you want. After that, finish the checkout process using your linked payment details. Amazon will usually show you the payment method connected to your account, and from there, you can confirm the transaction. Once the payment is completed, the added amount should appear in your Amazon Pay balance. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a little time and refresh the page. And that's it. You've successfully added money to your Amazon Pay balance, and it's now ready to use for future purchases.